How can businesses minimum cost while still controlling and guaranteeing the best product quality? How to support businesses to control energy consumption for machines? Do operators want to receive timely reports to control machine problems? How can the operator observe the machine operating parameters? Production management software iMag is the best choice for businesses to solve these concerns. This system brings a lot of benefits to the customer's production management, such as timely process management based on level-by-level direct reports, collect and analyze data to support making the best product development decisions, production quality control in time. iMag currently has 4 modules. iMag OEE is a tool to calculate uptime, measure quality, measure machine operating efficiency. iMag product detects unsatisfactory finished products and lack of raw materials during the production process, reducing the time to monitor the production process while still achieving high efficiency. In addition, iMag product updates the production process in real time. iMag Energy collects data such as electricity, water, gas, etc. to control the energy used for the entire plant to offer the most optimal solution, saving and controlling costs for products export. iMag process monitors machine operating parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, flow, etc. iMag process allows monitor operating machine parameters in real time, warning over the threshold, export reports, charts, according to the time of your choice. With iMag, customers can easily monitor on different devices such as computers, phones, display screens at the beginning of the production line. By building and developing iMag software based on factory IoT development, VULETECH wants to bring customers a solution to approach digital transformation for factories. Products are copyright and intellectual property by VULETECH Company. For more information, please contact us through our website or our social network. Thanks for watching.